my life is what I'm missing. For everything you've done, you are forgiven. You got me reminiscing. Are you here with me or up in heaven? I hope so, better yet I know so. Now that you're gone, it's so cold. Why'd you have to go? I just have to know, because I need my dad. The thought of you never coming back only makes me sad. When you took your last breath, I held you close and grabbed your hand. Told me be safe, stay strong, and always be a man. You were the feet to my legs when I could barely walk or stand. When you coming back, Dad, you need to help me. Kept a roof over my head, kept me healthy. Money in my pocket had me feeling wealthy. I give my life to bring you back. Now you're gone, I'm feeling trapped. You called me in a dream I had. Said I love you, I live above you. Just some things we can't undo. Some we had some fun too. Yeah, I got nobody to run to.
I can feel your presence here, and I can see you so much clearer, and I can feel you watching me. So Father, rain on me. I can feel your presence here, and I can see you so much clearer, and I can feel you watching me. So Father, rain on me.
Your body's cold and you're not breathing. Stop and think, I can't believe it. Just 16, my dad is leaving. Wide awake, there's no more sleeping. Now my heart is slowly sinking. Got me drowning in the deep end. Why is this? I need a reason, man. This is a fucked up feeling. Rest in peace to my father. Had one boy and then 2 daughters. One more boy, which made it harder. He met that, then he fought him. At respect, you were sober 40 days and it was over. Was a rock, now I'm a boulder. Love you, Dad. You're my soldier. I'm alone. I get scared when I wake up. You be right there. I'm a kid. This ain't fair. Dad, I'll make you proud, I swear. I'ma step up to the plate. I'm trying to find my happy place. All this stress that I can't take. One thing I can't change is fate. But you know that I love to listen. A part of me that you is missing. Are you gone or am I tripping? Always pause, now it's flipping. It was so fast, the day you passed. Now my life is burning crash. All I have to say is that I hope that you found peace at last.
I can feel your presence here, and I can see you so much clearer, and I can feel you watching me. So Father, rain on me. I can feel your presence here, and I can see you so much clearer, and I can feel you watching me. So Father, rain on me.
There's so much I didn't say. This took place the 3rd of May. I'm hoping someday things will change, but my life still remains the same. From all the things I think about, shit I have to be without. No regrets, but so much doubt. Been on my mind, so hear me out. Stay to fan the ones I need. Staying close, cause some may leave. Feeling like I'm in a dream. See crazy things, what do they mean? Places I was too attached. Played an act, took off their mask. Trying to put this all together. I'm just trying to make me better. Pray to God to send these lyrics. I just hope that you gon' hear it. You come down and set things straight. A while now, been out of place. Life ain't what it's supposed to be. I feel you when you're close to me. You're the main that rose with me. Ain't never gonna be a ghost to me. I love you, Dad, your soul is on. Feeling your presence in this song. I heard you clearly all along. Mind is weak but feeling strong. Grandma's close, you're not alone. I feel that you found your own. Now I got my feelings shown. Gotta let go, let him go home.
I can feel